Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a story on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile icon at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the plus icon at the upper right corner of the page. In the create section you can find the third option, the story, and here you can select videos or pictures from your gallery. New, you can add text, stickers, and different option to your story. And if you go to the stickers button, you can add different questions, locations, hashtags, emojis, and music to your story. And if you don't, click to the your story button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.